How to turn off TikTok new notifications. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can turn off all of the new notifications in your TikTok app. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your TikTok application from your mobile device and get logged into your TikTok account. From this page, tap onto your profile from your bottom right and tap on three-bar icon on your top right. Here select Settings and Privacy at the bottom page. Under Content and Display, you will see Notifications. Tap Open it. Here you will see In-App Notifications. Tap Open that option and make sure you untoggle all of these. As you do so, you will not receive any messages which are related with your live, activity status, or any direct messages. In case you would like to toggle it back on, you can simply go ahead and tap on this option altogether. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, do comment down below. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this.